Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OSTK, overstock.com. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the orange lines up here are coming from. And in that video, I talked about a rising wedge and how it was looking like, there's a chance that this thing could very well need a pullback here. And the power of charts, the price definitely rolled back over. So this pattern here has played its role. Gave us a heads up that a pullback was potential, and then that's exactly what happened today. So let's get some other areas now mapped out that pertain more. And the one that really is in play right now, and so far so good, doing a good job of holding strong, is right down there at the $17 mark. You go back through the history of the chart, and you can see that this area has acted as support right there, and then right there, and then you fast forward to today, and you can see that the price is once again hanging right up around that area. So $17 is going to be that preferable area of support. Preferable meaning that, if the price can stay above there, that's definitely going to be the best scenario for the overall chart. In the event $17 cannot quite hold up, the next key level of support to keep an eye on would be down there at right around the $16 mark. So 17 and 16, two of the near term levels. For more so the overarching point of view, that is where the pink line here comes into play, the 200 period moving average. And even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that, from broader viewpoints, as long as the price is up above that line, then that implies that the overall trend, is still bullish. So that's where that 200 period comes into play. However, as of right now, getting a little ahead of myself because so far so good. $17 is holding up strong, but those would be the next couple areas of support. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, in the near term, it's all about that purple line right there, the 50 period moving average, and that just goes to the the technical analysis rule 101. When levels of support are broken, they tend to act as resistance. So you can see this morning it was broken, and then on the bounce back, you can see a whole bunch of times try to get back above that purple line, but couldn't quite do it. So while I'm not saying it's impossible to break through that level, I'm just saying it makes sense right now why the price is struggling right around that that area. So keep an eye on that right now, valued right around $18.15. So yeah, the price pulled back today, but pullbacks happen. It's not like the entire chart crashed or anything like that. So the week is young, 4 days left. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.